He want the stoop, she want the tea. She want the tea. I cannot speak. We keepin' it street. We keepin' it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat. You still gon' get beat. How much it costs? It never been cheap.
Girl, you're working with some flash, yeah. You're bad, yeah. Make a fella spend the cash, yeah. It's bad, yeah. Girl, you're working with some flash, yeah. You're bad, yeah. Make a fella spend the bag, yeah. It's cash, yeah. Girl, you made it, you made it. Oh yeah, you made it, you made it. Baby girl, you made it, you made it. Oh yeah, you made it, you made it. It's been a long time coming. All these blessings rolling in, I ain't even see them coming. Too hard, I've been going too hard now. They say I need a vacation, say I need to slow down. And I ain't trying to slow down. Pretty face with a bad attitude. Working like I got too much to lose. Built it up 1, 2 by 2s. I wonder now I pay too many dues.
Alright, so I just want to say thank you guys for coming out and showing so much love and support throughout all the years that I've been in school. It's been a journey, y'all know it. I just want to say thank you guys so much. Each and every one of you guys means so much in my heart, even though sometimes I don't express it as much, but I just want to say y'all know I still love you at the end of the day. There's no hard feelings at the end of the day. So I just want to say thank you guys for coming out. I hope you guys are enjoying your time and take as many pictures, celebrate, because not only is this a celebration for myself, but this is a celebration for you guys, because y'all was holding on to the rope with me too. So let's all cheers to this toast. More success, more life, more love, and I love you guys. Thank you.
Speed, so go ahead, Philip, go ahead.
I just want to say I'm very proud of you. I watched you persevere, and I know that you're going to go further in life.
Thank you, Mom.
Congratulations, I love you.
Love you too.
How's the path?
Here he go, come on.
You know, sunny days, everybody love them. But can you stand the rain?
Amen.
Hey, I can remember when they were kids, Simone and Samara. We went to a TSU homecoming, and it was raining cats and dogs.
Yes, it was.
Say they were 7, 8, whatever, and the water was up to here. And I told them, I said, look, I grabbed both of them. I said, we're gonna get through this rain. I said, everybody else stopped. It was almost drowned. I said, we're gonna get through it. I said, because this is how life is gonna be. You're gonna have to keep on going. And they kept on going. And she called me about 2 years ago.
We didn't want to keep on going, but we had to.
She had to. And you know, so she played basketball. I was teaching at another middle school down the street. And she was playing basketball, and she was a senior in high school. And me and Rudo, we was like, you know what? This girl going to the military, because she had a little job, brick house, signing, you know what I mean, different jobs. I said, she going to the military. I've been to the military, she going. So I took her, and I took her to the recruiter, and the recruiter's from New Orleans. I said, look, you know I'm from New Orleans, you from New Orleans? I said, look, how is it like that in the Navy? She said, I ain't gonna lie. She said, we be buying weave in France. I said, that's up on island. I said, yeah, she going. Because, you know, her being from New Orleans, she just said, look, all we do is ride the ship, and when we dock, we go to these expensive places and buy stuff and get back on the ship. I said, that's easy. So I said, Samara, you are going to the military. I said, look, you're going to take that test. We got the test. We signed her the papers up. And she was supposed to go like a next week or 2 weeks. So I went to the recruiter. I said, you see my daughter? She said, her and her boyfriend. They came over and got the birth certificate and everything. And then they left. So we had no idea this girl took the papers from the deal to go to the military. And then she said, you know what, Daddy? She said, I'm going to school. And she enrolled in the Texas Southern University, my alma mater, Blue 5. And she enrolled, And I'm gonna be honest with you, she did it herself. You know, her boyfriend right there with him, because you know, when I first met him, I said, look here, man, let me tell you something, man. You know, because he paused right behind me. And at first I was coming from Louisiana. I said, look here, man, let's say, man, you better treat my daughter right. And you know what? The little dude treated her right from day one. All the way, I gotta give him that. You know what I mean? And they both went to Florida together. And they both worked it. And I just want to thank all of y'all for being her friends, for being a family. And now we are all family.
That's my little partner over here. Ever since she was 3 years old, I came to visit from where I was living, New Orleans, where now. I was living in New Orleans. I was living in Chattanooga. Okay, when I got ready to leave, it was a tearjerker. She said, no, 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 no. And she's been my little girl ever since. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Mama. I love you. Don't you cry.
She's determined, she's focused, she's a good example. Good job, thank you so much. Okay? Thank you. Yeah, I'm really impressed.
Thank you.
I ain't about to do nothing crazy. I just want to say, we've been here for a long journey. It's been 7 years together, and I'm very proud of her. Like, I've been through her, through every step of the way, and you know, thick and thin, and she's been by my side. And I just want to say I appreciate you. You keep growing and you keep excelling. Everything I believe was impossible. So congrats to being a doctor, and congrats to being having me a part of your family, and I love you. So.
Girl, you made it,